Subject and object pronouns. Pronouns refer to nouns and noun phrases. For example, the internet isn't working right now. It was damaged by the storm last night. Subject pronouns. The subject of the sentence does the action. I woke up early this morning. You drove there? He works with computers. We moved twice while I was growing up. They went on vacation to Spain. Object pronouns. Direct objects. Direct objects are the person or thing that the action is done to. She told me not to buy that car. We saw him at the gas station the other day. He hit you with his car on accident. She adopted them from a shelter. My friend saw us at the movie theater last night. Did you notice that the direct object usually comes right after the verb? Object pronouns, indirect objects. Indirect objects are the person or thing that the action is done for or given to. Bring me a plate, please. I gave you that sweater last fall. She bought him a plane ticket to come see her. The realtor showed us the house for sale up the street. We gave it a new home. Just give them some money so we can leave. Tips for finding the direct and indirect object. For example, she bought him a plane ticket to come see her. Ask, what did she buy? The answer is a plane ticket. This is the direct object. Ask, who did she buy it for? The answer is him. This is the indirect object.